Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, welcome. So, probably a bit darker in the hallway, but it's a Sunday afternoon, clocks have just changed. Look, we got a shoe rack that we bought from B&M, but it's not a very good shoe rack. It's overflowing with shoes. So, being a Sunday, we don't sit around doing nothing on Sundays. Got to do something, even though it's a day of rest. So we're just chilling in the living room. There's Max and Mrs. B. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. What are we doing? Watching a bit of what are you watching?
Dukes of Hazzard.
Dukes of Hazzard. There you go. But we've got a box down here. We've got one bit out of it. But
Ikea.
this is it. An Ikea Tjusig. How's the email on it? Tjusig. And it's a shoe rack. So that's the little job for today. I'm going to hand you over to Mrs. B. She can be the camera lady.
Oh, shall I put it up on the table?
Yeah, we'll put it up on the table and I'll unbox it and we'll speed this bit up. And we'll see you in a mo. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello, right, so I've unpacked everything. One key thing is there's this piece of cardboard here. It's actually needed for the installation, so it's not just packing material. So don't throw that piece of cardboard away, the one with the holes in, because you'll need that. On with the show. But here we go, it's all unboxed.
That's everything you got in your metal poles behind you.
Metal poles behind me. There we go. There's a bag of cardboard, bag of rubbish. Let's get it built. Right, there we go. That's built. A couple of things I learnt. Make sure these poles, 2 of them, have actually got a thread in them. Make sure they're in the right place, because otherwise it won't go in. And also make sure you put the wrong screws and the right screws, the shorter screws, in the middle
Shine a
bits.
light down the hole, I can't tell
Because
whether...
otherwise it's a bit of a bugger getting the bigger one out, because it just drops in. So, but we're just battling with this last one, just won't thread in. So I'm sure we'll figure it out. We'll see you in a moment. Right, there we go. That's that done. Still watching a bit of Dukes of Hazzard. There's the table all built. Mrs. B's assures me that she's measured where it's going, and she's going to go and put that in its forever home, well, we hope. Oh gosh, you moved that out of the way already. So we'll get this into position, and I'll get Mrs. B to show you it in place when it's done. Bye bye.
Oh, it fits. Thank God. I had this awful feeling that I'd measured it and it wasn't fit, but it fits, it fits, it fits. There's not an inch to spare. Not a millimetre to spare, in fact. Not a millimetre. Look, there we go. It goes right up to the edge. Hey, my God. I can't believe it. Thank goodness. Yeah. Doesn't fit a million pairs of shoes, but it does the job. Yeah, pretty happy about that. Glad if we went for the black, otherwise it's too much white on white. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Alright, there we go. So, a bit of rubbish left over. That's going to go in the old recycling. Mrs. B's done. She's now happy. Are you happy, Mrs. B?
Yeah, just
Yes.
relieved that it fit.
Yes, it literally, I put it in place and it didn't fit, and I just gave it a bit of a wiggle and jiggle and it fitted. Look at that. That won't, if I slide this along, look, there's no slide. There's no gaps in between it, but look at that, tidy shoes. Gosh, and that's going to go to Hazel's. Your boots, your Ugg boots, are going to...
Hazels, I don't know where my big Ugg boots
they'll have
go.
to go on top. There's my gym shoes with hardly any wear and tear on them. And yeah, alright, build yourself some shoe wear storage on a Sunday afternoon whilst watching Dukes of Hazzard. That'll change your life. See you on the next one. Goodbye. Bye bye.